welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I have an unboxing for you. I'll be unboxing my first Influenster box. So if you want to see that, just keep on watching. If you want to know how Influenster works, let me know in the comments and by liking this video. Let's get started. So I received my first VOXBOX from Influenster and I'm so excited. I'm really excited. This is actually my very first one. I've been an influencer for a year now, but this is my first one and I'm super excited to receive the box. And at first it came in a shrink bag, so it didn't came just like this. It came with a shrink bag and it's all, I like the box, is very pretty and I'm just like super excited to be receiving this box. So let's open it up and see what I got. So the VOXBOX that I received is the Saturday Skin collaboration with Sephora. So basically this skincare line is going to be available through Sephora. And I was pretty impressed of the size of the bottles because I thought I was going to be receiving like a little trial size or, you know, like a deluxe size. But no, they actually sent me full size. Oh my God, I was shocked. I was like, bruh. Wait, I received full size and not just one, not two, but 3 products full size. So I received the mask too. So let's go through the products and see what I got. So basically the Saturday Skin line, it's going to be available through Sephora, as I said. And it says here that it's cruelty free and sensitive free. Like not sensitive free, but you know, it helps you. If you have sensitive skin, it's going to help you with this. So basically it says it's a clean formula free of parabens, sulfates, artificial colors, and fragrances. And also on the, I looked through it online and it also says cruelty free, which is good. Sure. So basically their theme is like ducks. So on the card it has like all duckies. So I don't know, but I love the packaging. It's so cute. So the first thing I received was a Rub-a-Dub refining peel gel. So this is basically a peeling gel. So it's a start over by gently rubbing. So it's a refining peel gel. So I got that one. Pretty cute. So let me smell it and see how. Ooh, it actually has like a. Let me see here. It doesn't smell bad. It has like a sweet smell. So I'm pretty excited to try that. I'm a very fanatic about skincare. Friends that know me, they know I love skincare products. So I'm pretty excited to be selected to try this and review it. I'm just like ah! And then the other item that I got is the Rinse and Shine Gentle Cleanser. So this is a cleanser that I received. So it comes in a little pink bottle. And I love the packaging. It's like beautiful, all pink, all very feminine. And it smells good. It really smells good. So I'm pretty excited to try it. And then I got the Featherweight Saturday Skin Moisturizer. I'm pretty excited about this. Like, honestly, thank you so much, Influencer, for sending me this VOXBOX, and can't wait to try it. And then this one is the Saturday Skin Featherweight Moisturizer. And this one actually has like a pump. So you, instead of digging your finger into it, you click on this and it's gonna pour product from here. So I think that's a pretty good idea. And yeah. And then the other item that I received, it is the Saturday Skin Quench Hydration Mask. So this one you put it all over your face like an actual sheet. So I'm pretty excited to try it and see how it's gonna work. So this is the products that I received from Influencers to review. And I'm gonna be trying these products for a month. And then within a month, I'll do a video and letting you guys know how well these products work. Do they really work? Is it worth your money or not? So stay tuned to see the next following video. And again, thank you so much, Influencer, for sending me these free products to review. And I appreciate it a lot. And I was so thrilled, and I'm still thrilled to be receiving this box and trying the skincare line. And again, the skincare line, the Saturday Skin, can be purchased through Sephora. And I checked online, and it's only online. So yeah, so stay tuned to see my next video with my full review of these products. So thank you again, and I hope you enjoy this unboxing. At first I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. And then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong. And I learned how to get along, and you're back from outer space. Oh. how I felt when I received the Influencer box.